Hi guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Today we're quickly taking a look at the latest version of the Logitech G502, which utilizes Logitech's Hero sensor. Ever since its release in 2014, G502 has always been a crowd favorite, especially those engaged in esports or pro gaming. G502 Hero Gaming Mouse, this product that we're about to unbox, is its next generation version. It does not just sport the latest sensor, but also packs a few new features that will definitely delight its loyal customers. Right off the bat, the G502 Hero Gaming has the following things inside the box: the G502 Hero mouse, tuning weights, and case, plus user documentations. The mouse sports a more durable braided cable. The tuning repositionable weights are inside its dedicated case, so you can always bring it with you. Now here's the lowdown. The main difference between the new G502 Hero compared to its previous version can be found in the sensor department. The new G502 uses a new gaming sensor that features a wide array of DPI from 100 to 16,000 DPI. Its previous generation with the PMW3366 sensor can only go from 200 to 12,000 DPI. The new G502 can now store up to 5 profiles, but this requires you to have 127 1.7 or later firmware installed. It also has 11 programmable buttons and packs 1 zone RGB lighting. If you wish to adjust the weight and balance, you can just use the included extra weights up to 18 grams. You can experiment with alignment and balance to match your playstyle. Another reason for upgrading or buying this is the durability count of its main buttons, which is 30 million more than its predecessor. If you like RGB lighting, the new G502 sports Logitech G LightSync technology, which provides fully customizable RGB lighting that can also synchronize with your gameplay. We're a big fan of this latest iteration of the G502. While we suggest that you use performance gaming mat, especially if you're a professional player, it worked pretty well in most surfaces. You can easily adjust and tune it via its wider array of DPI settings too. We proved this quite useful in most cases, like when playing PUBG or Apex Legends. I prefer my mouse to have a bit of weight, so I see to it that I use the available weights according to what I want. That's it for our quick unboxing of the new G502 Hero by Logitech. If you're planning to get one in the Philippines, the price and link are in the video's description. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. See you soon on our next video.